Hey everyone, Vinayak here. I have a moderate number of Echo devices at home to help control my smart devices. Each one is different with their own features. Today I'm unboxing the Amazon Echo Input Portable. What does this device bring which is different from the others I have reviewed earlier? Let's find out. Amazon has released a slew of smart speakers, some with screens and others with bigger speakers. But they all have one limitation that they need to be plugged in. The Echo Input Portable removes this limitation by integrating within it a rechargeable battery. Here's the box. Typical Amazon packaging. The price marked on the box is $5,999. During the sale I purchased it for around $2,749, so I feel I got a good deal. Remove the strip on the top which allows the box to open. And here is the device. Looks quite similar to an Echo Dot, but size-wise is a bit smaller. But taller, I guess. Let's check what else we get in the box. We have manuals, a power brick, a micro USB cable, and that's it. Now back to the speaker. Let's get the protective film off. It has a slight heft to it at 448 grams. The sides of the speaker are wrapped in fabric with grippy rubberized base and sides. The volume controls and power button are accessible on the front, and we have a micro USB charging port at the back. The buttons on top are the action button to activate Alexa and a microphone off button when we don't want it listening in. 4 microphones are present on top to listen in for the keyword and commands. Tap the power button once to check the battery level on the device and press and hold to activate it. The rubber base keeps the device in place and doesn't allow it to slide around. If you have older Echo devices, the Echo Input Portable comes pre-configured with your Amazon account details. This makes it easy to pair with your Alexa app on your phone. By the time I activated the app, the device was found and ready for the final steps. Select your home address on screen, continue, select where it would be placed, and the device connects to your Wi-Fi and you're done. I was surprised that the app plays the video for the Amazon Input and not the Input Portable. The Amazon Input is a device which would be used in conjunction with an amplifier or your own speakers for better sound with Alexa capabilities. This Echo Input sadly doesn't have an audio output, which would have been great in line with what the original Echo Input does. But the device is now ready for use. Whenever we use the keyword Alexa, we can see the blue LED in the center on top of the device light up. Instead of a light ring, Amazon has implemented a single LED, maybe to use less battery or for cost cutting. The Echo Input Portable has a single 1.5-inch speaker and can stream music off Wi-Fi via Amazon Music, Gaana, Saavn, etc. The service you want to use is up to you. Let's try out how the audio quality sounds. Alexa, volume 10. The sound is fairly balanced across the range, sounding clean and crisp. Bass was a little lackluster but is present. Volume doesn't go very high, but that is due to the speaker size too. Let's compare it with the Amazon Echo.
You made a mistake, underestimating what you've taken on. I'm out of the cage, 'cause you opened the door. You're as innocent as gone. You made a mistake, underestimating what you've taken on. I'm out of the cage, 'cause you opened the door.
I knew it will not be able to compete, but it does a great job and sounds clear. We also have Bluetooth capabilities on the speaker, allowing it to be paired like one. And now you can play any audio on the phone and it would play back through the speaker. Unlike other Echo devices, this one has a 4800 mAh battery, and with an estimated 10-hour battery life, we can carry it around the house with ease. Place it in the hall for music, kitchen to listen to recipes, take it outdoors and listen to music while you're in the garden, all this as long as you have access to Wi-Fi. I wouldn't suggest the bathroom as the fabric would pick up more germs, but it can be used there too. In order to save power, you can turn it off using the power button in front. The Echo Input Portable is the first battery-powered Echo device and is quite capable. The size and weight are well balanced and the sound quality was quite good, which was surprising considering its size. Battery life was a mixed bag. I didn't get the full 10 hours, but I can say it ran around 6 to 7 hours, which is good. Amazon recommends keeping it always plugged in, but that would go against its portability feature. Even though named the input, it has no input-output ports, but I don't think any other portable device compares to this one at this price point. The mics did have a problem listening in when the music was loud, which is present on its bigger cousins also. Still, it works as good as the other Echo devices I have. If you need portability, this device would be a great choice, else go for an Echo Dot instead. If you have any questions, write in to tech@talkingstuff.net or WhatsApp us at 96525 78833. Also make sure to like, subscribe and also hit the notification bell to be notified when new videos are uploaded. Thank you for watching and see you all next time.